Primary trigonometric ratios for any angle. Question 4. Point P is 10 centimeters from origin and angle POX equals to 300 degrees. Determine the coordinates of P. Round your answer to nearest tens. This is very similar to the previous question. I'd like you to pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. So let's sketch it first. So the angle POX is given to us as 300 degrees. So initial arm is along the x-axis and you go around like this to 300 degrees and there it is. So that is 300 degrees, right? Now you have the point P here. Origin is O and this point starting is X. So that is angle POX. Always the angle will be treated counterclockwise. So that is how it is. Now we are also given the length OP, which is 10 centimeters. Let the coordinates of point P be X and Y, right? So what is X equals to? As you know, cos of theta is equal to X over OP, right? Now from here we can find what X is equal to. So X is equals to OP times cos of theta. Well, this is a very general formula and it can always be applied to solve such questions. So in this case, length OP is given to us as 10 and theta is given to us as 300 degrees. So it's cos of 300 degrees, correct? You can use calculator and find this answer. So it gives you 10 times cos of 300 degrees. Your calculator should be in degrees, so it gives you 5. So that is the X value. Now let us find the Y coordinate for point P. So we know sine theta is equals to Y over OP. So Y is equals to 10 times sine theta, right? Which is 10 times sine of 300 degrees. And we can use calculator and say 10 times sine of 300. It should be negative or positive. We are in quadrant 4, so sine should be negative, right? So the answer is minus 8.6603. Now we need to round our answer to the nearest tens. So when rounded, this will give us minus 8.7 and this will be 5.0. It is kind of important to write one decimal place, right? And therefore, we can say our answer is that point P is X coordinate value is 5.0 and Y is minus 8.7. It makes sense, right? We are in quadrant 4 and that's how it should be. X is positive and Y is negative. I hope that helps to consolidate what we have learned so far. So let's move on. Thank you.